ABES Engineering College. Here we are going to discuss object-oriented programming with Java. This is unit number 2 and we have discussed already unit number 1. My name is Tarun Kumar Gautam, Assistant Professor, CSEDS. This is unit number 2 and in this lecture we will discuss upcoming videos of unit number 2 and we will discuss also the important topics of unit number 2. Okay, we have discussed already unit number 1 in detail and lectures has been came. So let's start for the unit number 2. You can see this is unit number 2 and there are some important topic of the unit number 2 and we have divided unit number 2 in the 3 parts: exceptional handling, second in handling exceptions, third is input output basics and multi-threadings. In exceptional handling, you can see in detail, this is a very important part of the unit number 2, exceptional handling. What is the meaning of exceptional handling? It's mean you are handling and controlling the exceptions. Exceptions came during the runtime of the program. How will you handle? What should be strategy you will use for handling the exceptions? जब कोई exceptions आते हैं, हम जब प्रोग्राम को रन करते हैं at the run time, तो उस टाइम पे उन exceptions कैसे हैंडल करा जाएगा? That will come under this topic. Top name is called exception handling. Here we will discuss idea behind the exceptions, means what is the use of exception handling. Second, in exceptions and error, what is the difference between exceptions and error? It's very important topic. There is a minute difference between the exceptions and error and we will discuss in detail with example. And the types of the exceptions, what type of the exceptions should be came in the during the runtime of program. Next topic we will discuss control flow in exceptions. What type of the control flow will be occurs during the exceptions and how we can remove the exceptions by the using control flow. And next topic will be JVM, Java Virtual Machine. We will see. And next topic will be reaction to exceptions. When exceptions came, how will you handle? What will be the reaction? इसके अंदर हम ये टॉपिक को पढ़ेंगे, एक्सेप्शन कैसे हैंडल करना है, अगर एक्सेप्शन आ जाते हैं तो उसे कैसे हैंडल करना है. एक इसमें टॉपिक मैंने बताया आपको एक्सेप्शंस और एरर में क्या अंतर है, कैसे पढ़ना है, एंड द टाइप ऑफ एक्सेप्शंस, कंट्रोल फ्लो इन एक्सेप्शंस. जावा वर्चुअल मशीन को देखना है, उसमें समझना है कैसे काम करता है जावा वर्चुअल मशीन, या रिएक्शन टू द एक्सेप्शंस, मतलब जावा जो जेवीएम है, हाउ टू रिएक्ट टू एक्सेप्शंस. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट टॉपिक मैंने डिस्कस कर दिया आपको डिटेल. द फर्स्ट टॉपिक्स आई हैव डिस्कस्ड इन डिटेल. इन सेकंड टॉपिक, the topic is handling the exceptions and this topic will be covered in upcoming lectures in detail. The handling of exception may be some concepts, the catch, tie, finally, throws and throws. We will use it. Okay. In third part, the input and output basics and multi-threading, we will understand what is the difference between byte streams and character streams. What is the difference between the byte stream and character stream? We will see. Second topic, we will consider reading and writing files in Java. Java में हम फाइलों कैसे रीड करते हैं, राइट करते हैं, वो पढ़ेंगे. And the next topic will be threads और उसकी लाइफ साइकिल क्या है. फिर उनको कैसे सिंक्रोनाइजेशन करना है थ्रेड्स का, we will see. And inter-threads communication, this topic will be covered in upcoming videos. Okay, तो फाइल्स को कैसे पढ़ना है, कैसे रीड करना है एंड राइट करना है, we will understand in upcoming videos. And the life cycles and creating and synchronizations and inter-threads communication we will deal in upcoming topics. Okay, so this will be the control flow of the unit number 2 we will discussing in upcoming topics. This is some reference you can take, and I have also taken these topics from this reference. In the reference, you can see the first reference is Java the Complete Reference. Means the book is Java the Complete Reference by the McGraw-Hill Education. You can refer also. Other reference is Spring Boot in Action, the mining publication. You can also take this. Third is Java Black Book. It's very good book. I have read. It's very good. And Bala Guru Swami, the programming in Java. It is also a McGraw Hill publication. It's very good. And other sources is the Beginner's Guide of the Java, also by published by the Oracle's Press. You can also consider. Learning Spring Boot 2.0 second edition. You can also take it. And I given the link, and you can take some assignment of the Java regarding this topic. So these are some reference, and you can choose one or two books according to your need. This is a reference, and this is a you can take some assignment here from this link. Okay. Thank you.